Very good evening. Today, 31st of July, I'm back to live trading. It's been a while, almost 10 days. I had some personal commitment, or I would say rather, commitment from my family, due to which I could not come online and stream for last few days. But yeah, now I'm back. So gold currently is sitting at 4045. I'm going to go long here. Let me plan the trade here. So right now I'm going long with this levels. This is a 2:1 trade. Let me put the trade right now. So the entry is at 4048. Sorry, 404846. That's where I entered, and my TP is 4067, and same time the SL is 4037, right? So it's like $20 TP and $10 SL, or 200 pips TP and 100 pips SL. Okay, so I already customized my TP and SL because the trade was already there. Let's see how it goes. And before that, just want to say that today I did one more trade. This one was shared on my Telegram channel, and I went for a short trade exactly at 12 afternoon UAE time at 4067. The current TP of 4067 this is the same level at which I did a sell today, and at, if you could see here, at 5 p.m, like after 5 hours, the TP was achieved and I got around 300 pips already. So today I'm already sitting at a profit of 300 pips, and here I'm putting 100 pips on risk. And honestly speaking, the TP could be here 4081. That's like the TP2, but TP1 should stay in this zone. Okay, so what we're doing here is we are doing a buy trade, right? I could say that buy trade entry 4046, SL 4037, TP1 is 4067, and TP2 is 4081. Okay, these are some key levels which I already marked before in my first trade of the day. Okay, that was the SL of the previous trade, but this one I'm going to use as my TP2 here, but TP1 is 4067. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so let me show you the first trade that I was talking about. If we could see exactly at 12:01, right, 12 p.m, I shared this trade in my Telegram channel, that we could sell at 4067. SL was 4081 and TP was 4038. And first update I posted after 3 hours at 3 p.m, and then of course at 5 p.m, my target was hit 300 pips, right? So I share similar trades on my Telegram channel, mostly 4 or 5 trades a week. And so this week I think in 3 trades I got TP and 1 trade got SL. Last week we had 2 TPs and 1 SL. So of course you are never 100% perfect, right? But the beauty is that maintaining a good maintaining a good ratio between your SL and TP. When I say that, I mean to say if I do 3 trades a week and 2 of them are hitting TP and 1 is hitting SL, then it's a very good ratio, right? The win rate is almost 67%. So excuse me, so something similar like that. Let's quickly analyze the chart. So this is 15 minutes gold chart. If we shift back to 1 hour, what we see here is that, you see this, so this is the, yeah, so this 4100 this is our resistance, right? And this is our support. if we see here, this is our support zone, right? So market is coming to this level time and again, getting rejection and going up again, right? So currently we could see that market is pretty much range bound within this level. If you see, this is happening since 24th of July. So if you see, market is in this range, right? So we should, for a big move, we should wait for a breakout on either side. The chart looks pretty cluttered. Let me clean it. Yeah, and I can move this one also a little bit this side. Okay, so for now we are range bound between this level, right? Between this 4,110 and is 4,000, again 4,000 here. So within this $100, gold is moving for a while right now, for almost a week now, without getting a clear direction. So as long as we don't get a breakout either on the, either on the long side, which is here, then we go green, we go buy. If we get a breakout this side, we go sell, right? With a bigger trade, I mean to say, with a positional or swing trade, I mean to say. But for now, as an intraday trader, this is my current level. This is what I'm doing right now. This current trade, I did buy at 4046 and waiting for a TP of 4067. Okay, I share these trades absolutely for free in my Telegram channel, so anyone interested can join. I think the link would be somewhere there in my YouTube channel or in the comment section of this video. You can become part of my Telegram community absolutely for free for now. The channel was primarily for my friends and family or colleagues, who are into trading, but now I'm trying to expand my trading journey, or planning to share my trading journey with a bigger audience, and hence I'm going live. And so this is how I share my trade in my Telegram channel. Market is very volatile this week, right? If we could see the price, let's check the price of oil. So if you see, the oil price is super volatile because of the developments in Middle East, I believe. So what we have seen is that this week, when the week began on Monday, market open did a gap down, and since then, so that level was 93.67, and from there the bottom was $80, and now the market is trying to recover a bit. But I think this area is pretty much is like working like a resistance for now. Even yesterday market came to this level, got a rejection, and now again here. So I think oil is not going to cross this level. So yeah, it's Friday already anyhow, right? So market should close somewhere here in this 88.7 or 88.8, in somewhere in this zone for this week. Let's check what's happening with the dollar. So this is the DXY price. Okay, on DXY, when we analyze DXY, we need to always look at a daily chart. This is a daily chart of DXY. Okay, what do we see here? That dollar is actually on an upward trajectory, right? If you see, so if you could see here, from here again, so next should be somewhere here, because the market is making some kind of higher highs. If you see, from this level to this level is higher high, and if you see the higher lows as well, right? So something like this should take place, unless if we see a breakout coming from here, then we will see, of course, a sell, but this is very less likely. So let me put a dotted line, because this is a very less likely scenario. The most plausible scenario is that we can still buy here at 100 and target somewhere here in the zone of 102 or something. So as long as the dollar value goes high, the price of gold should come down, right? But again, those are on the bigger picture, right? For now I am on a buy trade on for on an immediate basis. I'm on this buy trade. Let me check gold on a daily chart. Otherwise I do have different charts for different reasons. Okay, so let's analyze this one. Okay, so if you could see, actually gold is following a downward trend line from here, right from here in this zone. So taking rejections and going down, but the thing is that actually this is a strong support zone. This 4000 is a very strong support zone, right? Until and unless market sustain above this level, there is a possibility of, you know, continuous momentum like this, right? But if this level is broken, this 4000 is broken, then definitely market is coming to 3600. That's for sure. You can take a sell trade if you see that this zone, this 4000 zone is broken and market sustained below that zone for more than 1 or 2 days. Then definitely you can take a sell trade towards 3600. Okay, what's happening recently, if you see that every time market came to this level, there was a reversal, right? Market really never sustained below this level for long, not even for 1 day. Every time market came to this level, there was a reversal, right? In the interim, let's look at the news today, if there is any news coming up. No news, nothing major today. So, and today is the last day of the week, so let's not expect a lot from the market. Already the market exhausted all its moves for this week. Let's go back to our 15-minute chart. As simple as that, market came to this level here, right, of this 4024, and as usual took a reversal from this. Since the reversal is coming from here, I'm expecting the momentum to continue up until this, the next resistance level, which is at 4067. If that one is broken, then definitely market would go to 4081. But for now, we can say that 4067 is a very reasonable target. Okay, great. And whenever I would hit my TP1, what I would do for my remaining position, I will shift my SL to the entries to make sure that I don't lose anything, and I close the trade with at least TP1, which is in fact very good, right? $20 to 200 pips. I already have 300 pips from the earlier trade of today. So yeah, see, if you see here, this was the one that I already showed you. I shared on my channel, this one at 4067 we did a sell, and the TP was 4037. Amazing. About Bitcoin is witnessing some sharp fall. For me, Bitcoin, I never analyze on a shorter time frame, at least on a daily chart. So today Bitcoin is, you know, seeing some strong selling. If you could see, from 64,700 till 62,500, around $2,500 or $2,300 lost today for Bitcoin. So yeah, if you're an intraday trader for Bitcoin, see, in my previous sessions I spoke about the movement of Bitcoin. That's how it looked like. I mean, a positional trade of Bitcoin could be made only when these levels are broken. You know, on the buy side, 70,000 is broken, then definitely you can take a long trade for around $10,000 or something on the higher side. If this level of 56,000 is broken, then, you know, you can take a sell trade and target somewhere around, you know, this level of 47,000 or something, which is another 10,000, you know, on the bottom side. But in between this level, currently the market is moving between these two, 57,000 or 58,000 on the lower side, and on the higher side 68, 69,000. So between these 10,000 the market is moving for the moment. So I mean, on a day chart it looks big, but if you on a, sorry, 15 minutes or 1 hour chart, but if you look at a day chart, it's not that huge. I always recommend people to analyze Bitcoin on a higher time frame if possible, because the volatility of Bitcoin is really crazy, right? And what we witnessed on daily level, that from September 25, if you see, there is lower lows always the market is making. However, this 57,000 is not breaking. Every time market is coming to here, so almost this one once, then twice, thrice already tested this level and then went up, and now again trying to come down. So this could be just for grabbing the liquidity. Probably there is a small long trade building up right here at this level where we are right now, which is 62,596 for intraday. I'm saying, yeah, intraday there is a trade and you can target this. Then you can put your TP1 somewhere here. It's all basic price action analysis, nothing major, no rocket science. I just analyze the candlestick pattern and price actions and try to make the sense out of it. No, not much technical stuff. That's what I learned from my last 4 years of trading journey, that as long as you keep things simple and consistent, you can expect some good success in trading. So this is genuinely a buying place right now. This pullback is a good opportunity to buy. Okay, here exactly. Okay, but this one will take some time. So if I have to take a trade on Bitcoin right now, normally I'll not take a trade right now. I'll wait for these levels to break either on the higher side or on the lower side. But if someone has to take a trade, like, because they love Bitcoin or something and want to catch the volatility, that's the trade. That's the trade. It's a genuine buy trade. Okay, let's go back to our gold trade and see what's going on here. Some discouraging candles forming. Anyhow, our SL is not that big, only 100 pips, so I will not shake my SL for now. I'll hold on to it. Okay, I was traveling and just arrived this morning after an overnight flight, so kind of tired, and not tired, super tired and jet lagged. I had to do some office stuff in the day, so I could not take a rest. Right now my eyes are literally closing. I'll keep the outcome of this trade. I'll post the outcome of this trade in my Telegram channel as well as in the YouTube comment section of this video. For now, I'm literally shutting down, so I must close, and I just hope that we get to see our TP. So right now here, if something like this happens, I will be really happy. If happens, if not, then what can we do? We can only forecast, and then we expect or hope that our forecast is accurate. Okay, with this I'll end the stream for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, you learned something, and definitely check the comment section of this video. I'll post the result of this trade. Okay, thank you so much. And if you're not part of the channel or a Telegram channel or YouTube channel, please follow. And if you're looking for a broker to start your trading journey, then you may sign up with Xness, which I'm using for last 3-4 years. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for today. Thank you, and see you around.